Today marks the closing day of our Fill Afford food drive, and we couldn't be more grateful for what has been accomplished together. Over these past weeks, our Tampa and Clearwater communities stepped forward with open hearts, showing once again the true power of unity and compassion. Thanks to your support, we went above and beyond expectations, gathering a remarkable 511 pounds of food. Each can, each box, and each donation represented more than just nourishment. It represented care, generosity, and a commitment to lifting up those who need it most. As the food filled our truck, so did the love from our community, turning a simple drive into a movement of kindness. We also want to recognize the incredible effort of our Ferman employees. Your dedication, time, and spirit made this event possible. This wasn't just a company initiative. It was a family effort, with every hand making a difference. At Ferman, we believe our responsibility extends far beyond great service. We are dedicated to being a positive force in the community we are proud to call home. From food drives to local programs to everyday acts of giving, our mission is to always serve with purpose. To everyone who donated, volunteered, and shared in this cause, thank you. Together, we filled a truck, we filled hearts, and we proved once again that our community is stronger when we stand side by side.